2:09 pa lang, gising na kami. Dito na kami sa airport. Napaga kami ngayon eh. Anong oras pa lang, Han? 4:35. Pero ang flight namin 8 o'clock. Eh napaaga yung sundo namin. Yan, wala pang ganun tao sa ano. Yung PR210. Yung PR210 ito. Ayan. Punta Manila, 8 o'clock. Ayun. Maaga kami ngayon nakapag dito pila. Ayan, maraming mga Pilipino rito nakapila. Mamaya, dami na rito. Maaga pa. Ano nang oras?
4:48.
4:48. So, ahead na kami ng mga 4 hours. Pasok na kami dito sa departure para mapaaga.
Walang hassle kahit sobra-sobra.
Oo. Yung namin ngayon na yung natsambahan namin yung sa reception, mabait siya.
Sa check-in.
Check-in, so nag-check-in kami. 5 yung malita namin, 2 check-in. Tatlong check-in pala, baggage, saka 2 hand carry. So, dahil nagbayad kami ng extra ng isang luggage, kaya naging 3 na 20 kilos. Pero, itong hand carry, hindi na tinimbang. Itong 2 hand carry namin. Tapos, meron pa akong isang shoulder bag o backpack. Tapos, si Mrs. meron din siyang mabigat na shoulder bag. Sa akin, punong-puno itong backpack ko, mabigat. Pero, wala lang. Hindi kami, ito tayo banda, 6 number natin, ito. So, itong 719. So, yun, hindi kami, bait yung babae na Aussie. Siguro, ayun nga. Tuloy-tuloy lang kami, hindi na tinimbang itong namin 2 hand carry. Wala akong tulog kaya medyo sumasablay ang pag-isip natin. Hindi maganda gano memory natin takbo na dahil ewan ko ba kapag maaga kasi 3:00 kailangan gising na kami. Tapos nagising kami 2:00 kaya wala rin akong tulog. Kaya yan wala pang tao rito. Gate 10 ayun. So, dito na nga kami, wala pang tao rito. Tayo lang ata rito eh. Alas 7 na. Anong oras? 7:15 na. Ang flight 8 o'clock pero dito pa rin kami. Hindi pa rin kami umaalis.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Singapore Airlines flight SQ248 to Singapore is paging the following passenger, Mr. Raj Dudley. Mr. Raj Dudley. If in the terminal, please make yourself known to ground staff and get lounge number 9. Thank you.
Alis na kami. Sakay na kami. Ito na si Mrs. So, ticket na. Dalawa. Two.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's go. Oh, pababa na kami dito sa airport. Yung sakyan namin, yung aeroplano na yun, ayun, doon na. So, ayan, tinan nyo na lang. Okay. Medyo mahabang lakaran. Tingnan nyo ha. Ayan. Sana magkatabi tayo. Baka may sa gitna natin eh. Kasi K tsaka H, wala yung J. Yung J, gitna. At malamig dito. Ito malamig dito. Kami sa tarmac, pero malamig. Parang ano dito, 10 degrees ah.
Gusto ko yan. Gusto jacket mo.
Okay lang. Ini-enjoy ko na yung lamig. In-enjoy ko na yung lamig eh. Pagpasok natin sa aeroplano, yan na. Tapos na may ligayang araw. Puro init naman. Hindi lang. Kita mo na lang doon sa wala ko dito tayo sa kabila. Diretso tayo sa kabila. Thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Hi, welcome.
Dito, di ba? Dito. Ikaw pupunta dyan. Diretso ka dun. Okay, diretso ka dun. Morning. Ayun o. Asia o.
Ay, pero hindi magkatabi yan.
41.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Dalawahan lang talaga, honey.
On board is flight PR210 bound for Manila. It is now 10 minutes past our scheduled departure time. Our flight is delayed due to late arrival of our aircraft from previous flight, which affected the flight preparations for this aircraft.
Kaya pala.
And our flight time for today is approximately 7 hours and 50 minutes. And we will climb to our cruising altitude of 38,000 feet. We expect generally fair weather during our flight. Our estimated arrival time is at 4:50 in the afternoon, Melbourne local time, or 2:50 in the afternoon, Philippine local time. For information, the time difference is minus 2 hours from Australia local time. We care for your safety. Please take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure, and keep your seatbelts fastened at all times, as we may experience unexpected turbulence during our flight. We will update you with the latest arrival information as we get closer to our destination. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay!
Mabuhay! From Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Oras lang pala, no? Ilang oras lang. Kasi nakahanda na tayo eh. Nakaharap na tayo sa runway eh. So,
Oras lang yun mga expected.
oras, sakto sa oras. Bye-bye Melbourne. Bye-bye Melbourne. See you next time.
Can I have a beef tapa? And what about you, honey? Thank you.
Yung pagkain namin dito, ano, beef, ano to, beef tapa. Beef tapa. Ayan. Kain tayo. Medyo makain na yun.
Currently, we are 70 miles south of Manila and have begun our initial descent. Based on the latest weather report, we're expecting fair weather at Manila with moderate winds coming from the east and a ground temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. Traffic and weather permitting, we expect to touch down Manila at 30 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. For your convenience, time now is 2:01 p.m. We hope you enjoyed your flight with us as much as we enjoyed having you aboard. On behalf of your crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay!
About to landing. It's about 150 meters. It's 100 meters, and the speed is 266 kilometers per hour. It's 82 meters, 73 meters. And 60 meters and 37, 27, 16, 10, 9, 5. That's it. We're good. It's done. Okay, we're here in the Philippines, 35 degrees Celsius outside. Wow, from 9 degrees to 9.
Airlines welcome shield ceremony. Local time now is 27 minutes before the hour of takeoff. And the date today is 14,025 with a ground temperature of 35 degrees Celsius.
35 degrees Celsius.
Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. The aircraft comes on entry stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. And we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For the order departure of this party,
It's all the Philippine Airlines.
no numbers have been called upon for the plane. For passengers in the resistance,
That's the Korean Air. So from 10 degrees to 35 degrees Celsius. Welcome back.
on behalf of our flight captain, all of our staff, first officer, Rachel, second officer,
Oh, okay.
thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Labas na kami.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Trabaho ko yan.
Thank you. Ingat
Thank
po
you.
kayo.
Salamat. Yung salakyan namin, oh. Ito, Philippine Airlines. Tayo. Dito na tayo sa Buhay. Thank you. Thank you. Raw? 5 daw? 5? Yung sinakyan namin. Ayan. Ang Philippine Airlines ay ng aeroplano. Ayan kami. Ayan, dito na kami. Sa airport. Ayan si Mrs. Ayan si Mrs. Okay na. Dito na kami sa loob. Dito po yung Philippines. Ha? Ito kami yun, nabangan namin yung aming baggage. Fantastic. Fantastic. Base 8 and B. Base A and B. Ayos na. Ayan lahat sila oh. Ayan oh. Ang anak ko, ayan oh. Beautiful. Di ako ng traffic? Di ka ng traffic?
Traffic ka.
Smooth ang,
Akala kayo mga 3:30 pa kayo makakalabas.
smooth ang biyahe namin ngayon.
Smooth.